Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we unveil the mysterious and monstrous depths of Europe's megatunnel. Europe's megatunnel refers to the exploration and discovery of a massive underground tunnel system in Europe. This tunnel system, often described as monstrous due to its immense scale and complexity, has captured the attention of researchers, explorers, and the general public. The megatunnel is believed to stretch across several countries in Europe, connecting various cities and regions. Its origins and purpose remain shrouded in mystery, fueling intrigue and speculation among experts and enthusiasts alike. The discovery of this vast underground network was likely a result of ongoing infrastructure development, such as the construction of new tunnels for transportation or underground utilities. As workers and engineers dug deeper into the ground, they unexpectedly encountered a vast interconnected labyrinth of tunnels that surpass anything previously known or anticipated. The immense size and intricate layout of the megatunnel have posed significant challenges for exploration and mapping. Specialized teams of geologists, geographers, and surveyors have been tasked with documenting the tunnel's extent, analyzing their geological formations, and mapping out potential routes. Due to the sheer magnitude of the megatunnel, its exploration has been a collaborative effort involving multiple countries, research institutions, and engineering companies. This collaboration has fostered a sense of international cooperation and shared fascination with the discovery. As the exploration of the megatunnel continues, researchers hope to unravel its purpose and uncover any historical and cultural significance it may hold. Some speculate that the tunnel system could have served as an ancient transportation network, connecting important trade routes or serving as underground fortifications. Others purpose that it may have been used for secretive and clandestine purposes such as military operations or covert smuggling. Regardless of its origins, the unveiling of the megatunnel has generated excitement and anticipation for what lies hidden beneath the surface of Europe. The ongoing exploration and research efforts aim to shed light on the enigmatic underground world, opening up new possibilities for understanding the history, geology, and potential applications of this colossal subterranean infrastructure. Activities.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.